Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by making a new project and switching to custom settings so the timeline matches vertical video. This prevents scaling surprises later. Choose 1080 by 1920 for phone-friendly portrait and pick the frame rate that matches your source, 23, 98 or 30 FPS. Once done, import your clips and drag a clip to the timeline so Final Cut Pro adopts the project settings. This step ensures your canvas is vertical from the start, reducing extra transforms and preserving. Next, you fix each clip inside the vertical frame. Open the inspector and use transform to rotate if your footage is sideways, then scale to fill without cutting key details. Once visible, adjust position X and Y to center eyes or action. Small shifts matter in portrait. For tricky shots, use spatial conform. Choose fit to avoid cropping or fill to remove black bars, then fine-tune with crop. Make these changes clip by clip so motion and composition stay natural throughout the sequence. To finish, export using Share Master File or Apple devices with H.264 and confirm resolution is 1080 by 1920. Set a reasonable bitrate for mobile delivery. Make sure the exported file's metadata indicates vertical orientation so social platforms display it correctly. If you see black bars or unexpected letterboxing, reopen the project. Review each clip's spatial conform and transform settings, and ensure the project resolution wasn't accidentally reset. That single mismatch is the most common issue and easy to fix.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.